All right, last one. Here we go. So let's talk tech issues. I'm sure in your last question when you were asked what might be some tech issues people might have, I'm sure things like computer not turning on, computer not charging, charger not working, my email doesn't work, Teams doesn't work. These things all kind of came up. And if you had more than that or less than that, that's okay. Whenever you have a tech issue, something is wrong with your computer, these are the steps you must follow. You are going to send an email to student.helpdesk@scienceandtech.org. And then in the subject line of your email, you need to write your first name, your last name, and then Cole High School. And in the body of that email, you are going to write a description of the problem and then anything you've done to fix it. And I have an example here. So again, we're writing it to the student help desk. You can see that right here in the to line. From the subject line, we have first name, last name, Cole High School. Subject line, first, last, the lovely Justin Bieber, Cole High School. And then in the body, description and what you've done. So Justin Bieber here wrote, I am not able to log on to Teams. I've tried shutting down my computer. Now the tech team knows what's wrong and they know what you've done to try and fix it. And so now they can give you some new options on what to do. All right, you have a little activity to do after this one. This is the last of me now. So you're super close. Hang tight. You only have a few minutes left. And everybody have a good weekend. I look forward to seeing you next week.